2210 chrome Chevy SS replica wheels. This is a factory Reproductions wheel. We did a 285/35 22 tire on it, Lexani brand, all-season tire at 285. Same thing, it hugs the edge of the wheel real good. Going on a lowered 07 Chevy, and show you guys what it looks like right now. Almost hit my bumper. I don't want no smoke. Going on this joint. Wow. Did you say you drove it all the way from Texas?
Yes, sir.
My man George drove it all the way from Texas.
On $3 worth of gas.
On $3 worth of gas. Hell yeah. Got a little blue pipe right there. We'll keep that covered up for now. But you could hear it.
Stay tuned.
Yes, sir. Stay tuned. What is that? Brake upgrade?
Yeah, it will work.
Shit. So he's got to stop. He's got stopping power for something. Yeah. You heard it? You could hear why he needs that stopping power. Got the wheelwood brakes on there. So you might have a little bit of a lead foot. Stop it. That's what that blue thing goes to. That joker right there. That motherfucker's on go. Ready to fucking line up. Métele el dedo, güey.
I was about to tell you about the little.
Put your finger right there, bro. Yeah, that motherfucker's lubed up, boy. Ahí está. Nice. About to bolt them up. Stay tuned, my boy.